To conclude, I would ask each of you to tell us what you consider the three most important factors of success to adopt the BIM from your perspectives. There's not much time left, but I would say the involvement of management, upper management, in the ideology of going all the way and not looking back. Because it's a process that's definite once it's adopted. We can't get together many years down the road and say, well, BIM didn't work, let's move on. No, it's a definite process. And it's to dare try new things and propose to those we work with to this new way of presenting information that's more effective and that goes more quickly. And finally, if everyone focuses on promoting this technology, we will be heard from the major decision makers. Laws change, governmental regulations change, because currently it's a restriction on the evolution of our industry in Quebec. Pierre? Yes, indeed, it's a business decision. People who start doing things in BIM mode, it's a business decision. There has to be a will among the leaders to move on to the next phase. It's a new way of doing things. The second point, technological transfer and investments of resources and the skills of those who are performing the projects. All of these are important factors. We have to dedicate the appropriate time and energy to support these people who are involved in BIM, and we have to expect it to see it as an investment. That's an important point.
Yeah, actually, I would like to stress on the point of investment. We have to prove the industry that there is a feasible return of investment by implementing BIM. You will see that we'll have reduction in RFIs, more reduction in design meetings, more reduction in constructability issues on site, and this will definitely help us in reduction of claims, battery quality. It's definitely going to be a win-win situation for the designer, for the owner, and also for the contractor. On our side, we have to produce more case studies to the industry in order to explain like more techniques, more tricks, to get people to more understand it's not just a theory. It's something that we can implement actually on site, and there's like an actual feasible feedback by putting all of this investment in training, in standards, and in softwares.
A brief comment about what has just been said. Myself and Cheryl Stomp received a mandate to document in Canada as opposed to the United States. It's very hard. It's important to document what we do here. Amen at Concordia, and even CanBIM can help us to document cases, to share best practices. This is how they went about it in the United States, and that's how we should do it to succeed here in Quebec. I put you last because you said you didn't want to be first. Because very often in this kind of thing, there's many men, and the people say, ladies first. From an architectural office, the advice I would give to anyone is to be organized in the way you go about it, how you start, who you're going to train. Choose really a good team, a team that's well balanced, and that the players on your team want to win the game. Also, same thing with your work partners. The structural, electrical, mechanical engineers, you have to establish a level of trust with them so that they work harmoniously. Thirdly, invest in training, not only to train your workers, your internal workers, on the software, but also it's ongoing education, ongoing training. And even with young employees, you have to train them not only on the software, but how to build, because they come in fresh, they've never been on site, It's not on site. It's not like on the books. Now they're working with the real things, with the real elements that are involved in the project.